If you've lost access to your Facebook account and cannot receive verification codes, there are still ways to recover your account. Follow these steps to regain access. Step 1. Visit the Facebook login page. Go to the Facebook login page and click on Forgotten Password. This will direct you to the account recovery options. Step 2. Enter your account information. Input the email address or phone number associated with your account. If you don't have access to these, you can also try entering your full name or username to find your account. Step 3. Choose recovery options. After identifying your account, Facebook will present recovery options. If you can't receive codes via email or SMS, look for an option that allows you to answer security questions or identify friends. Step 4. Identify friends. If prompted, select friends from your friend list that you can recognize. This helps Facebook verify your identity. Follow the instructions to complete this step. Step 5. Submit an appeal. If all else fails, you can submit an appeal to Facebook's support team. Provide as much information as possible about your account and explain your situation. Be patient, as it may take some time for them to respond. By following these steps, you should be able to recover your Facebook account even without verification codes. Good luck!